Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss 5 deadly signs of gut failure should never ignore. Your gut plays a crucial role in your overall health, and ignoring warning signs can lead to serious consequences. If you notice any of these alarming symptoms, it's time to listen to your body and seek help. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 1. Persistent and unexplained abdominal pain. Persistent and unexplained abdominal pain is a concerning symptom that should never be ignored, as it can be a sign of a variety of serious conditions such as ulcers, gallstones, pancreatitis, or inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. Chronic pain, especially when it's sharp or cramp-like, may also indicate intestinal blockages or even cancer. If the pain is severe or comes in waves, it could signal an emergency like appendicitis or an intestinal rupture, both of which require immediate medical attention. Number 2, blood in stool. Blood in the stool is a serious symptom that should never be ignored, as it can signal a range of potentially life-threatening conditions. Bright red blood typically suggests bleeding from the lower gastrointestinal tract, such as from hemorrhoids, anal fissures, or diverticulosis. However, darker or tarry stools indicate bleeding higher in the GI tract, which could be caused by ulcers, gastritis, or even gastrointestinal cancers like colorectal cancer. Whether the blood is visible or detected through tests, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention to determine the cause. Number 3, sudden weight loss without trying. Sudden, unexplained weight loss without any changes to diet or exercise is a warning sign that something may be seriously wrong with your health. It can be a sign of conditions like malabsorption, where your body isn't properly absorbing nutrients from food, or chronic illnesses such as cancer, hyperthyroidism, or diabetes. In the context of gut health, sudden weight loss might also point to inflammatory bowel diseases, IBD, like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. If the weight loss is rapid or significant, it's important to see a doctor right away. Number 4, chronic diarrhea or constipation. Chronic diarrhea or constipation, especially if it lasts for weeks or months, can be a sign of serious underlying health issues. Persistent diarrhea might indicate inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis, infections, or malabsorption disorders such as celiac disease. On the other hand, chronic constipation can point to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, thyroid disorders, or even colorectal cancer. The alternating pattern of diarrhea and constipation may suggest IBS, while prolonged constipation can lead to complications like fecal impaction or toxic megacolon if untreated. Number 5, severe bloating with vomiting. Severe bloating accompanied by vomiting is a serious red flag that may indicate a bowel obstruction or a more dangerous underlying condition such as gastroparesis, volvulus, twisting of the intestine, or even peritonitis. This combination of symptoms often means the digestive system is no longer functioning properly, potentially causing a buildup of gas, fluids, and food that cannot pass through the intestines. Additional signs like inability to pass gas or stool, a distended abdomen, intense cramping. Taking care of your gut is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. If you're experiencing any of these warning signs, don't wait, seek medical attention to address the issue before it becomes a bigger problem. So that's it for today. Hope you learned some new stuff. If you found it interesting, take a little time and show us some love. Also, subscribe for more similar content and drop below a comment mentioning where you're watching from. Would love to hear that. Thank you and see you in the next video.